Big. Oh fuck, there's too much stuff. So hari ini gue bakalan kedatangan tamu yang sama-sama suka yang berbau Korea. Jadi gue bakalan masakin apa ya, tteobokki balado. Sebenarnya gue punya tteobokki, tapi gue nggak punya saus tteobokkinya itu loh. Jadi dikarenakan nggak punya, jadi gue pakai bahan bumbu seala kadarnya, yaitu bumbu balado. Jadi waktu gue mudik itu nyokap bungkusin bikinin bumbu-bumbuan gitu, jadi salah satunya bumbu balado ini, makanya gue bikin lah tteobokki balado. Sekarang gue lagi mau numis bumbunya dulu, setelah itu baru masukin bahan lainnya, so keep on watching. Nah, baru deh masukin tteobokkinya. Terus bisa juga dimasukin chicken wings, jadi biar tteobokkinya itu nggak sepi-sepi banget gitu loh guys. Tuh, chicken wings. Sebenarnya sih bumbunya udah ada rasa, jadi tinggal tambahin sedikit lagi aja masako, karena gue lebih suka asin, jadi gue pakai agak banyak. Ini rasa micin, terus pakai bawang putih, ada bubuk, aduk rata. Setelah itu diemin deh. Nah, sambil nunggu tteobokki yang belum matang, kita sekarang bakalan bikin bubble tea. Dari sini udah ada teh yang udah gue teh yang udah gue larutin sama air gula. Jadi 2 kantong teh, bungkus kantong teh, terus sama bobanya yang udah gue bikin semalam dan udah gue dinginin. Terus ada es batu dan ada susu. So, let's make it. Wah, tteobokkinya udah jadi nih, gengs. Tuh, tteobokki balado. Made by Lulu's Kitchen. Selamat makan dan selamat mencoba. Hey gengs, welcome back to my channel. So today I have special guest. So there is Rebecca in here. So can you introduce yourself? Your name, from where, and yeah.
My name is Rebecca. I come from the UK. I live here in Sweden, and I don't know what else to say about myself. I really like Korean food.
Yeah.
And Lulu's cooked something really yummy for us today. It's one of my favorites.
So today we try, I mean me, not we. So I try to make Korean food. I don't know, it's like tteobokki, if you know tteobokki. So I try to make bubble tea. I don't know bubble tea is from where.
I think it's from Taiwan. I don't
Taiwan?
know.
Thailand? I don't know. So it's from Asian, not from UK. Not from UK. So it's from Asian.
We drink a little bit of tea. We like bubble tea.
Yeah. You just try to enjoy it, not make it, right? So yeah, we're gonna try to eat this food and drink this bubble tea, and then we're gonna try to talk about bully. So what do you think about cyberbullying? You can try to eat those if you want.
Honestly, I don't think it's okay because it's like it's a whole new way to make someone feel really bad about themselves. Like usually in real life, we know bullying is really bad, but cyberbullying is just, it's a whole other level because you don't know the person doing it, and it attacks your brain almost. So I honestly can't imagine what she was going through at the moment. So it's really tough. It's just all types of bullying. It's not okay.
But did you ever feel it before, like somebody bullying you?
Like on cyberbullying or in real life?
Yeah. In life.
Both, yeah. In real life when I was a child.
In the school or what?
Yeah, when I was in school. Just basically when I was younger, I was quite awkward. So we had a school uniform. We used to wear ties. I used to wear mine wrong, and for some reason everyone would bully me about that. I didn't understand why. It was just a tie, but.
But it's like big problem for them.
Yeah, it's just.
How old?
I think I was like 12.
Okay.
It got better afterwards, but it was when I was 12. It was just really horrible. So I'm lucky compared to some people.
But since you already grow up till now, you feel it again or no? From somebody around you maybe?
Not at the moment. I think every time someone tries to make me feel bad about myself, I just distance myself from them. I don't want to be close to them because if they make me feel bad about myself, then I just out of my life, because if someone's rude to me in that way that I feel like I'm being bullied, I think they're not my friend.
Yeah, exactly, because friend not gonna do that, you know. But did you ever get it from strangers that you don't even know them?
You always get like weird looks from people sometimes. Like, let's say you go out and you're wearing something like really nice. Yeah. Someone might just look at you and just be like,
because
not
nice.
Don't like you. And it confuses me. Just some people are very angry.
Yeah, we don't even know, right? Because it's happened to me. I mean, not that long time. So it was few days ago, I think. So one day I was in my friend's video. So we have collab, not really collab. I mean, like she tried to make her video like mukbang, you know, and then I tried to join her to eat together, and I tried to join just because I'm a guest and also I want to eat with my friends, so I don't mind. I don't think about any people, but I don't know. I don't expect that people will bully me in that video just because I'm eating, not tie my hair. You know, so I'm eating like this, like you and me now, right now. So some people say, why you eating and didn't tie your hair while you eating? It's not good. It's not blah 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 blah. So it's bad, and also they doesn't like it. And also they said, your egg, like you are beautiful, even though you're not beautiful, you are ugly. And I'm like, I don't even know you. Why? How can we call someone like that? You know, there is someone call me witchcraft dolls. You know it? Witchcraft dolls. It's like witchcraft dolls. So there's dolls to make people, you know, like the magic. So like some Indonesian people believe in magic. So we have like, I don't know, dolls to make people hurt or something, you know, something like that. And then they said my face looks like that, and you know, in the beginning it was hurt me so much, and because I never get get bullying like that in my life. I mean, even though when I'm child, nobody call me like that. But when I grow up now and I don't even know these people, and then they said like that to me, I mean, not they, just one person, but another just talk about my hair, and they said, oh, I'm ugly, you know, blah blah blah, I'm not even beautiful, why you act like beautiful, you eating with the fork or spoon. So Indonesian people tradition, they eating with the hand only. So I mean, not all people, but some of them thinking Indonesian culture or tradition, you should eat with the hand, is good way. But they don't know if not all people can do that, you know. And for me, I can eat with the hand if the food was drying food, or for example, I eat chicken wings, which is it's hard to eat with the fork or something, you know, so I can like this. But if the meat's soft enough, I will just use fork. But Indonesian people thinking whatever you eat, you should with the hand. But in that time, in that video, I don't use the hand. I use spoon, because the food, it was like soup, and the meat also soft. So I don't think I need to use my hand, you know, with that. So that's why I use a spoon, and also yeah, with the spoon. And then I'm eating just little because I don't eat too much. In my whole life, I never ate too much. So I just eat in little portion, and then they thinking I'm act like beautiful girl. So they think beautiful girl eating little. So they said you just ugly, you know. And I'm like, why? I don't even know you. Why? How come you said like that to someone that you never met, and then you don't even know me? So why? So if I'm in Indonesia, I really want to meet them. I want to say hi to them. Want to talk to them, you know. But since I don't know where are they, and also I'm not in Indonesia, so I just like keep it. In the beginning, I was so hard, so pain, and I'm thinking why it's so easy for them to writing comment just for 5 minutes to make not 5 minutes, 5 seconds to make people getting hurt. But it took like 5 days for me to thinking about it, you know. Like I'm thinking so much about it. It shocked me a lot, you know. How come? I don't know them. What's wrong? I don't make any mistake. It's just because I don't tie my hair, and then they call me I'm ugly, like that dolls, you know. It's scary, that watch. And also I tell Zenit, my husband, and then he said it's okay, just don't care about it, ignore. And I'm like, yeah, okay, I'm ignore. But I'm thinking again, what happened? I don't make any mistake. Why they so hate me so much? So after that, when I found out that person just use fake account, not real account, I feel okay, and I'm laughing, you know, because it means that person not even better than me. He or she not even show their self. They're not confident enough with their self. So that's why I think I'm win. And also I think I'm much better than she or he. So okay, so after that I'm okay, but just sometimes I'm thinking about it, and now I realize why a lot of actors, especially like in Korean, they kill themselves. I think just because these comments, you know, they get bullied from some people that they don't know. So I can understand how depressed they are, how stressed they are, you know. So I can understand, because even me, I'm nothing, you know, in this world, and nobody knows me. But still, there's some people bullying me and talk bad about me, even they don't know me, and I feel hurt, even though I'm nothing. I'm not celebrities. I'm not famous person in this world. So I feel hurt. So how about this person, you know, like this actress? They feel hurt, and then they kill themselves just because they're famous. Everybody knows them, but they don't know these people, and then these people try to bad comment, you know, to them. So I think I can understand why. So I think bully is really not good. We need to stop it, you know.
I totally agree.
Yeah. So yeah, it's bad moments for me until now. Sometimes I'm still thinking, but I'm laughing again when I saw these comments, they fake account, and also they're not beautiful enough. They're not even better than me. So why should I get hurt? Even though yeah, okay, in the beginning I was hurt, of course, because I'm shocked, you know. I never get these comments from everybody before, not even people around me, unless when you were young, maybe there's someone doesn't like you, but you know each other, and then they will talk bad about you just because we know each other. But this person, you know, they don't even know me, and I don't even know them. How come they talk bad like that to me? So that's why I get hurt in the beginning. So yeah,
Honestly, yes.
yeah. So I can understand Sully feeling. So it's not good.
I just think everyone should be kind to each other. There's like no need to like write those comments. It's like I can understand maybe if someone's doing something really bad. Like we've had scandals like obviously I don't know about Indonesian media. I don't know any Indonesian words, you'll have to teach me some. But we have some where people are on video and they like throw their cats and dogs and stuff, like the cat over here, and they'll just throw it, or like they do illegal things, and that usually we kind of like catch them up on them, like about it, because it's not good to obviously be rude to animals like that. I get maybe being like, hey, that's not okay, but just making videos, I don't understand it, because if you're just being yourself, I mean, what else can you do?
Yeah.
You're just yourself. You can't, because obviously all of my life I've always wanted blonde hair, and obviously I have the option to. But I don't hate blonde-haired people because I just want to be blonde, or because they're different from me, or that I don't like the color. I mean, I've got a lot of blonde friends. I love it. I think it's a beautiful color. I think all colors are beautiful. But you know what I mean? It's just
I know.
Yeah,
I can. Also, I think someone who like to bully, I think they came from someone they doesn't have courage, and someone doesn't have confidence feeling, and I think they're not happy with themselves, and they're not confident enough with themselves. They think their self, I don't know, not good enough for them. And when they see someone they think it's much better than them, they will try to bully them, to make that someone or that person depressed, stressed, and feel like they feel, you know what I mean. So that's why I think that someone like that, I think a person like that who don't want bully another person. So I think just because they doesn't have confidence feeling, so yeah, I think they just not confidence. So that's why they try to talk bad about another person that they don't know. So for example, they get jealous with you, so they just get jealous with you or me. So for example, I get like, oh, why Rebecca much better than me? Why Rebecca so smart and I'm not? Why Rebecca so beautiful and I'm not?
Yeah, but then honestly, the counter to it is just thinking, when you're in that situation where you think other people are better and then you get jealous, you just think about yourself. Don't be like, oh, she's beautiful and I'm not. Just be like, I have really nice hair, or like, I love my eyebrows, or like, I have really nice arms. It's just, confidence is so big when people are rude to other people.
Yeah.
And I think people should just love themselves more, because it does wonders. And then you're just such a really nice person.
Yeah, I know. But I think this person who like bullying, I think they feel like that, you know. It's because they're not confident enough with themselves. Yeah. They think they're not much better than us, you know. So that's why they try to do that to someone they think much better than them. They're just jealous, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, could be. And also maybe some haters who don't want to do that to Suli, even though Suli is beautiful and multi-talented, smart, people still doesn't like her and bully her. So I think they just get jealous with her because they cannot be her, you know. But I mean, we cannot force someone should be like us, you know. So I cannot force you, or Rebecca, you should like me. You cannot hate me, or you cannot ignore me, or doesn't like me. We cannot like that, right?
If I didn't like someone, I just think I don't like them and then move on. Yeah. Because it's so good to just get that
maybe you just
out of your mind.
Get away from them, you know.
Yeah.
You should not be fake and then try to be friends with them and then like, hey Rebecca, even though in the back, I don't like her, why she say blah blah. So I think just don't be friends with them. That's it. Just ignore or like get away. But some of these people know they just have two faces. So yeah, I think like that. But the weird things, just because Sally not even know them, they not even know Sally. I mean, they know just by article or something, but they try to hate her and leave bad comments. So it's weird, you know. You don't even know her. I mean, Sally not even know you. How come you do that? So I think it's stupid.
I feel really sorry for her. Just everything that's happened. Like back in 2017, something similar happened. There's another like artist from Korea called Jonghyun.
Yeah, I know. He's also a friend from of Sally, right? Sally.
Yeah, he was a really good friend. When I was a kid, I used to love K-pop. Jonghyun was my favorite, so it just absolutely broke my heart. And just people being rude to him because he doesn't support LGBT, or like he's just like all the other things that they used to bully him, and it just makes me sad. Because I think people should be allowed to be who they can be, who they are. Yeah. And we love them for it. It's like, you won't like everyone. Not everyone will like you, not everyone will like me, not everyone will like Sully, not everyone like Jonghyun. They can just be themselves, and if people don't like them, I think it's really good to just think it but don't say it. Yeah. It's just keep yourself away from the person. Yeah, exactly. And you can both be really happy, and then it's just super great for everyone involved. Because we're all happy then.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Because I think it's people in everywhere, so we cannot control. I think
It's not controllable. It's sadly, yeah.
yeah. But hopefully nothing again. Another suli, you know.
Oh, I hope
Not
so.
anymore.
I hope not. I mean,
I hope and hopefully also some people can learn of this happen, you know. So hopefully some people can be smart before they, you know, like writing comments or try to moving their finger. Hopefully they can think about it, you know, because their words, their comment can kill people. So yeah, I think that's enough to talk about it.
yeah. Just be nice to people. If you have nothing nice to say,
Yeah.
don't say it at all.
So yeah, just try to be nice to people. You cannot stop everyone to be nice, but at least you can start from yourself. So yeah, hopefully my subscribers not like that. Hopefully those of you not write bad comments to any person that you don't know. So thank you so much for watching our video today. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. You want to say something to them?
I have one thing to say on the topic of it. If your friends, if they ever seem sad or anything, just be nice to them. Because, no, yeah, so you're going to be nice to your friends, but just, you know, hug them or just be like, wow, you look nice today. Because it can really do something to someone's day and really make them happy. And just really dispel bad thoughts. So if you have anyone that you love dearly, just... that.
Or just be positive. Fighting. So bye-bye.
Bye.